Good evening to whoever is watching. I'm Kamal Bandy, a software developer. I help build apps and websites. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Lumen on your system. So watch out. Alright, so this is the folder where we're going to install Lumen. So first, I'm going to start my vagrant box, which is my virtual box / vagrant box. And there we go. Go into F drive, CD projects, and CD PHP 7. This is the Ubuntu machine that's over here with PHP 7. Vagrant up, and give it a minute for it to fire up. In the meantime, I will start. Let's go to the Lumen Documentation. Cool. Yep, it's starting up now. Okie dokie. Yeah. So before you go ahead, you need to have at least PHP 5.6.4, and these are the other modules that you need to have of PHP. And as well, make sure that Composer is installed. Now let's go ahead and start the project. Before we go ahead, just one more thing. We're going to use this particular command to actually install Lumen. And here I remember putting a folder called Lumen. I'm going to delete that. And there's something about Windows 10. You need to hit the enter button in your command prompt to make sure that it runs. Almost there. Almost there. Okie dokie. While that goes on, I'll just start a putty. Okay. And it is 127.22.22, so that's my test server. That's it. Sorry, that won't fire up till this is complete. Give it a minute. There we go. Just needed to hit the enter key again, and there we go. That has fired up. And where's putty again? Putty. Test server, load, open. Warning, potential security, but yeah. Vagrant. Alright, so now we are in the Ubuntu, the command prompt. Now we are going to go into var www/html. This is where all the HTML pages are, and now just copy and paste this command here, and instead of blog, I'm going to put in Lumen. That will create the folder called Lumen and install all the project files there. So that should fire up in a minute. Sweet. So far we've managed to install Lumen onto the system. As you can see, all the files over here show what's been installed with a couple of suggestions. I would say all these white here are all suggestions. We don't need to worry about them right now. So next question is what has been installed in the Lumen folder. So we have pretty much everything with Composer and all the required files. Now let's go ahead and start the IDE. Alright, so we are in, so this is with the Lumen. It's got all the folders that we require. So the most important one is the public index.php. This is where you're going to point in your browser that I'll show you in a minute. And over here, this route web.php. So as you can see over here, when you point it, you should get the app version. All right. So my vagrant box, the IP is 10.0.0.5, 0.5 slash, and then what's it? A Lumen slash public slash index.php. Sweet. There you go. It now shows us the Lumen version. Let's change that a bit and just say Control C, and say instead of get we say hello. Oops, what am I doing? Instead of get we say hello, and what it returns is just the usual hello world. Control S to save that. And now we say hello. There you go. Voila! Lumen is working. Just one more quick note before we leave. All your controller method, all controllers would be over here. That's where all your logic is usually kept. Okie dokie, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you need any help with software development that's with startups or systems automations, feel free to contact me. My details are just below. Alright, thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.